welcome back to our channel. I am here with another unit provided to us by Zury Sis. This is a sister wig, lace front, twin part. The unit's name is Bestie. Currently, she's more like an acquaintance. Did y'all just pick up what I put down? So let me say that I am so glad you guys came back to join us. If you have not already, you better drop down, subscribe to our channel, go back, watch every other video, and let's jump into Bestie. So Bestie comes with two braids, okay? They call her a twin part. The parting goes all the way around, okay? You see that? That's parting space over there. That's parting space over here. Goes all the way around. It came with baby hairs in the front. So these came like this, like that's not really the look I'm going for in life. So what I did was I kind of took a bobby pin and pinned this hair down. So I have her, they're cute little French braids, which I actually really like, but I don't know. So this is the curl fresh out the pack. I actually did not brush her out or anything yet. I was waiting for you guys. You see what I did there? We're friends. And I wanted to, like, you know, we're part of this support group. We're embarking on these units together. So, like, let's get it from the beginning. So, this is the curl pattern when fresh out the pack. Okay? Take our handy dandy paddle brush and get to it. So, I actually really do like the way this hair feels, okay? For it to be a synthetic unit. This unit has two combs in the front, one comb in the back, adjustable straps, okay? She's a super snug unit, but in how, oh, okay. Okay. My honey ready for me to cook, y'all. He pulling the pots out. That's it. That's the alarm. So, okay. Okay, Zury Sis. Okay. All right. Now she more like a girlfriend I met through a girlfriend. You know, we all got one of those. Those girlfriends that you meet through girlfriends. You're like, hey, girl, you be hyped to see and stuff like that. But you won't call an acquaintance because she know about your man and your baby daddy problems and all that. We all got friends like that, don't we? Is it just me? But, so, yeah. Okay. Now I kind of like the ponies better. I actually don't want to take them out. I feel like sometimes you take these things apart and then the hair is like, it never looks the same again. Look at that curl pattern, guys. Look at how she bounced back like that. Okay, Zury Sis. Okay, so this unit is long. I'm like standing on my tippy toes. This unit comes to my bootay, okay? At its longest. Get into the baby hairs. Sorry, guys, that's a little greasy. So, again, I always leave a little extra. I'm sweating today, so nothing wants to lay down. Nothing. It is hot in my closet, which is where I film my videos, and it's just not letting me be great. So I think for the culture, I'm gonna take these down and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I had to come back because I wanted to show you guys what happened. So this is the braid, okay? But when you originally get it, this braid comes with all this hair in it wrapped around the rubber band, right? But when you take it out, first of all, look at these curls. Good night, Zury Sis. Good night. It looks so much better. And you know what else I love? This unit does not have teased hair. So I don't know how many times I done told them, I can't stand no goddamn, we do not like it. We don't like it. But look, I like it better like this because it's flat. You know what I mean? Oh, guys. That makes it so much better. All right, I had to show you guys that. Now I'm gonna take her all the way down, okay? And I'll be right back. You guys, Bestie is amazing, okay? She's super versatile, and she's a part of the collection. There is actually 3 units. It's Bestie, Bless, and Blast. I knew that. And this unit is just insane, okay? And you saw that we could wear her several different ways. So we had her with the 2 braids, with the hair wrapped around when we took the braids out, and then you can use, like, do a much more flatter look, which is better. And then this, get into this. Now, she is pre-styled, so she comes with the braids already in her. But look at this. Look how well this is. Look at that. You see them layers? Zury Sis. Come on, sis. Come to the front, sis. We are outdone. Let me tell you something. I want every... I don't want to play favoritisms with Zury Sis. Because they have Z's, I have Z's. They're amazing, I'm amazing. They just hear us when we speak. Not too long ago, Zury Sis had a unit just like this with the braided and had the teased hair. And it burned me down, okay? But to know that they've been listening to the girls in this support group. Are you feeling this bounce, honey? Are you feeling this? Is it just a me thing? Are your eyes open? Let me tell you something. This lace front is insane, okay? Super long again. She's 24 inches. But with the layered look, she is so... Oh my God, I can't. Now, I did... You don't really have to apply heat to these units because they do lay relatively flat, okay? However, when I pulled out the braids, it kind of gave you the crinkly look that you would get with any braids. So what I did was, I went in with my wand curler and just laid it down. Took my time and laid it down, okay? So you can't really see it any longer. But, you guys, Zury Sis did it. This collection is insane. This is the twin-part series collection. And you guys just have to check her out. You have to check Bestie out. You have to check Blast out. I just am outdone. Outdone. Okay. I have nothing else to say. I have given all I could give today. And I want you guys to know, it actually didn't take me that long to style this hair. All I did was pause the video for about, a minute and come on back and just do the rest. And that's only because I'm impartial to making faces and everything while I'm doing my hair. So I don't want to... See what just happened there? So, thank you so much for coming through. I am obsessed. I will leave all the details for Bestie in the bottom. And we will see you guys soon, okay? Like, subscribe, and comment. Tell me what y'all thinking. What am I giving y'all? Because if this ain't 70s hair, I don't know what is. And I'll talk to you guys later.